Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na, ayan na nga. Commending, commending. Ayan, ayan. Wah, wala.
Hey, patulogin mo yan.
Oh, kayo, lolo. Ang lolo kanina patulog.
In the air, the floating controller then flies towards her, which
Tulogin mo,
absolutely
tayo
drives
ano.
a huge game of tug of war
Ang
that plays
lolo,
out until the man gets flung really hard on
papapatulog.
the wall. This makes the picture frame fall and break. The family all look down at the floor and they see a picture of their deleted grandpa sitting on the couch. This makes them realize the invisible person was their grandpa all along. So comment and subscribe if you love your grandpa.
Yung misayaw, Bri. Para sumayaw ang... Isa pa raw. Isa pa raw, ate. Yung kanina.
Sophie.
Bili, yung kanina. Yan. Gandahin na sayaw, ay, mababangga. Gandahin na sayaw, Zoe. Oh.